morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. Welcome to Because Bitcoin's Market Check and Holy Volatility, Batman. What is going on this morning? We are seeing some local volatility across the board in markets this morning with apparent no real news backing this volatility we're seeing this morning. Quite interesting. But yeah, that was our pump for this 6-month consolidation. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys next bull run, right? Look at that candle. Yeah, we saw a nice pump off the market open. A ton of shorts on Bitcoin got wiped, as well as ETH. And then they just retraced right back. This is the type of volatility, we're going to be seeing coming into these key levels on Bitcoin, as well as just for the bull market as a whole, right? Liquidity is returning to the market, and with that comes that volatility. So we're going to get into it today. I am joined by Jackus and Tucker, and we're here to talk crypto and markets as a whole. Please, please, please smash and hit that like button early and often. Helps spread the good word, BB, and the crypto markets, and pushes that algorithm so our tech overlords can please us and push that out to people so they see us. But thanks for coming in. We're going to cook up some alpha for you today. And here we are. What's going on, Tucker? What's up, Jackus? How are we feeling?
Looks like it's over, Louis. It appears to be over.
Pack it up.
Pack it up.
Can't have anything nice, huh?
No, we can't have nice things. We just can't do it. Where do we want to start? It was encouraging for a minute off the New York Open. New York Open was right here. Kind of classic, with the bankers in charge, kind of classic New York Open, jittery, but kind of to a much larger extent today, right? Usually on a New York Open, you'll get one of these or you'll get one of these, right? But usually it's on like the 5-minute chart, not the hourly. So yeah, I don't probably not a whole lot of signal, probably a whole lot of open interest, wiped and whatnot. But man, that was quite something. That was quite something. Now, I will say there are a couple levels I would want to see hold here. Obviously, our monthly open, right? This is October's monthly open. I would very much like that to hold. I think this is a decent level also, right? I think the 64.5 level is important. But I said this in our call this morning before before we pulled this move. I was like, guys, I wouldn't be shocked if we got like one of these, Just a little scare. Just a little scare, What I wanted to see was this candle protected. Okay. We haven't lost it or anything. Like, I still want to see this candle protected. Now they are chewing into it right now. I will give you that. They are chewing into it. But yeah, short to midterm bullishness depends on this region holding, in my opinion, for Bitcoin. But yeah, that's kind of short term. We can look at some altcoins, but Jackus, what are you seeing out there, brother?
Is it over, guys? Who dumped on us?
We hear you over there. You're breathing heavy over there, Jack. Is everything okay?
The mic, Jack.
What?
We've been hearing you mouth breathe into the mic for the first 5 minutes.
Is it?
Yeah. You're just like, yeah.
No.
He was. Yeah, it's okay, Jackus.
I tried messaging you.
All right, I'll put it far away from my mouse. Apologies for that, guys.
He's just locked in, guys. He's locked in.
Yeah. I was actually at first just running around because I'm visiting a doctor later on. So apologies for that. When it comes to the sell-off, I mean, these obviously, it's pretty fucked up. If you zoom in on like M15, it's like straight up pump and dump, like some shitcoin. But sell-offs like this, are, what is that? I'm hearing something from you guys.
No, that was like a motorcycle. Don't worry about that, Jackus. God, dude. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that's ugly.
What are we gonna
I do not think it changes anything from the higher time frame stance, right? At all.
do?
Um, I think that sellers like this, obviously as scary as they are, usually get bought back up pretty quickly and are totally normal in a bull market, right? And I think we are entering one. I do not think like it is over. People will think that way. People will think, oh man, fuck it. Another day, another time I got, lured in on the FOMO. Another failed rally. I do not think so. I think this is just a like a lower time frame pre-bull market shakeout, and that's about it. It will rather get very quickly bought back up when you get these type of very quick sell-offs usually. So I'm not, as my name says, I'm unbothered. Jake is moisturized chest, and we're kind of seeing a decent bounce right now already coming in. We'll see if it's enough, but yeah, as long as monthly open is holding for BTC, I don't really see much problem in that regard. And yeah, constant higher highs, higher lows. Really not stressing this at all.
I like to see that hold right there. This is what I was talking about too. I would love, love, love to see this region hold.
Is that 64.3?
That's 65 to 64, basically.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, obviously 63.3 is the monthly open, but I would love to. I mean, you hold this, you hold the little golden pocket, you protect the impulse candle, you hold the monthly open all at the same time. If you can hold like 64K, 64.5. So yeah, that would be ideal. That would be ideal. I mean, that was nasty, I'm not gonna lie.
That was
And
so
here's the
short.
thing, like, dude, everybody, I already know what they're drawing on Twitter, and I haven't even looked, deviation,
Deviation. Yeah.
bruv, we're setting up some of these trades right here.
Smack it down to range lows.
Yeah, yeah, I'm gonna shorter down, level to level me, matey, down to 49K. Oh yeah, down to this little liquidity. I know they're looking at that. Hang on. We can do this too, all right? The bears aren't special, all right? We can do the same thing. I can draw the short position targeting liquidity with a deviation, bruv. Like, it's not that hard. You're not a genius. Okay, you're not a genius. There it is. There's your 11R Euro scalp, right? You know, you just at some point, man, you just gotta believe in something, right? You gotta believe in something. But
We call that a test pump in a bull market.
mhm.
Wipe out the liquidity, take out the shorts, take out the longs, and then you get the real pump. But
Somebody's gonna clip this and put it on Twitter and tell everybody that I'm bearish.
because Bitcoin's short, it's over.
Hilarious. Just
I
a
yeah,
wild
like
people.
we've seen stuff like this, last bull market.
Mhm.
And you get this little volatility blip, and then you just slow grind back higher. Yep, return to the order block, and then just start churning back and continue the trend as if nothing happened. And then that's just the market makers wiping, leverage participants, so they could have a clean climb to the upside. And there's a testament to be careful leverage trading this market, guys. It's the market makers are going to take your lunch money every now and again, or most of the time, if anything. So yeah, today is a prime example.
Guys, as long as nothing's really happening, guys. It's scary, right? Like everyone is like, what is happening? Please make it stop. We had enough this cycle, please. But the reality is that we just came back. What they did, right? They could have just come back right here, retest this support right here. But do you think that would provide much liquidity? No. They make it pump first. People start FOMOing here as they can't take it. Then they produce a incredible lower time frame rug pull. Seriously, guys. What is happening? Nothing ever really happens. Right?
Yeah.
But
Hades
most
next.
people are on this time frame. And this is not looking pretty. So calm down. This can easily, get bought back up, reclaim the open again, and it's Valhalla soon enough. Guys, I would like to apologize for the breathing once again. I'm really not feeling that well, actually, to be honest. So maybe that was it, but I'll make sure next time it doesn't happen again.
Yeah, what can you do Soul for me, Jackus? Can you do Soul? Because Soul is in a very interesting spot. I don't know if you've charted Soul recently or not, but I mean, look at that chart. Like,
I have not. It's very clear. Should you ever break down below here, it's over.
mm-hmm.
Above it, you are looking for a sweep of these highs and mid-cycle, reaccumulation. It's not much different from Bitcoin, right? Like you had the sort of March 2022 retest. If Bitcoin's breaking higher here, so is Sol. Lower time frame, nothing ever really happens, is it? We are doing like this really weirdo price action, which is within a range, right? What could have happened easily during post the August drop was that we would get a very quick reclaim. Instead, we get the bonds, and they are just making this one longer, right? But you are right here, and what you'll likely get in the next days is this lower time frame. I know they just came for a little bit of liquidity here, right? They faked the breakdown, came back down. Look at this hourly candle. Would not surprise me. This get immediately bought back up. Apart from that, you can decide to JIT everything right now. It's an option too. You can be like, hey, I'm JITing, right? The price pumps, you're like, all right, I'll wait for a pullback. No, that's not enough. Oh shit! All right, I swear, next time I'm buying. Oh shit! Right. So you can decide to cheat here because M15 time frame is not looking pleasing, or you play the hard time frame again and actually win. It's up to you.
And actually win. Yeah. The choice is yours, Anon.
Or be the lower time frame scalper, right? Currently, guys, believe me, I'm currently trailing 10-hour trade here. It's going to go so much higher. Trust me. I bow down here. All right.
Study.
Trust him.
Yeah, I pulled up the heat map on Bitcoin. You could just see exactly what they did this morning.
Oh my.
Just took all of this, took that, came back, took this, and like I think now they're just gonna continue on higher. But like that's how market makers are gonna make their money during a bull market, right? Man, that's crazy. That's wild.
Yeah, that's exactly what they did. I mean, it looks like they left a little bit up there, huh?
Yeah. I mean, this is the real one you got to look at here. Oh yeah, look what we took this morning. That's the start of the billions of dollars of liquidity that we have sitting, up at these levels.
I mean, look at this chart, Louis. Look at this chart. Either you're gonna go not too much higher and get everything at 75K, or it's literally over and there is no in between. Okay, there is no going to 40K and bouncing back. Okay, there's not. That's not how a market works. This is not COVID every year. Like, people want this nuke and then a V recovery. It's just not how like, go look at Bitcoin's price action every year for the last 14 years, excluding 1 year of COVID, and tell me that that's how it works. Okay, it's clownery.
I mean, there's stuff down here, right? But maybe
If you go get that, though, it is over. We
Yeah.
are cooked. It is done. That's it.
This is the lowest they could get it. They got some of it right on this wick in August. Like that was like the most they could bring it down, and they got a little bit of this in the middle here. But I mean, look at what's the path of least resistance? Is it this, or is it coming all the way down here? Like,
I mean, who has been
it's right
filling
here.
bags this whole range? Like, what?
Yeah.
Like, the Bitcoin inflows yesterday was $500 million. Like, do you really think that they're gonna put all these boomers underwater? Like, do we really think that Larry Fink filling his bags for the last 6 months is bearish? Like, just
No.
Exit
I
liquidity.
don't care about your Bybit open interest. I do not care. Doesn't matter. You think Larry Fink cares about your Bybit open interest? That's a joke. That is
I mean,
a
listen,
joke, dude.
that stuff's gonna get handled on. That's why, like in a bull market, like they'll handle that stuff. They'll handle that open interest, like on a move like this we saw this morning. Pump it, dump it, and then just continue the normal trend. They'll handle the open interest locally, and without messing up the trend. Because like, yeah, you'll see it on the hourly or maybe the 3 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour candle, but on the daily candles, you're not gonna see it, and everyone's gonna forget about it next week.
Larry Fink was bull posting ETH yesterday. Like, what are we talking about here? You know, like everybody's freaking out because we had a little pump and dump on a Tuesday open. Like,
same thing.
Oh my god, hilarious stuff.
I mean, I like the fact that people are still shorting, right? That's going to help fuel our upside, in my opinion. You might get a little more downside here on ETH.
Yeah, I could see that. Yeah,
maybe come down to 2.5K, run these lows in this area. I mean, a pullback coming into this morning made sense, right? But obviously, the pump threw everybody off, I think. Yeah. I mean, we almost tagged this, so yeah, this is
erase the pump, right? So this is interesting. Erase the pump. Actually, let me do this right very quickly. Because if we do, right, I need to find a clean chart, which I'm lacking right now. But all right, here it is. What everyone is freaking about, right? Like they are looking at this and be like, oh no. Think of it like this. I'm gonna make this white. I'm gonna make this disappear. And we're gonna put this up front. Yeah. What are we talking about? Right?
Yeah.
Like think there was a gap in the trading got halted for a few minutes. And you're at support.
Yeah, looks like a pullback.
Right? This is how you cheat it. What's
like
going on, guys? If it was like this, nobody, like, nothing.
You should tweet that, Jack, and be like, what's everyone talking about? My chart looks like this.
Let's do it.
Yeah, that wick really screwed up the chart.
Guys, it's simple. If you do not like the chart, just erase it. Erase the parts you don't like.
Yeah. I like it.
Right. I'll tweet it in the meantime.
Yeah.
Back to you, Louis.
You can give me a shout out too, because I came up with that idea. I'm just saying.
I came up with that idea.
He's like, show my profile.
Boost me. But yeah,
What? I don't know what chart this guy is asking for. Keep going, Louis. I'm just gonna.
he's been asking for like
I
a
don't
couple of
know.
streams now. I feel bad it keeps paying us, but take a look at it. I'll switch over to what am I showing right now? Let's get rid of that. Hold on, I'm gonna stop and then reshare. Give me 1 second. I mean, IWM looks good right now. Are you guys seeing this?
No.
Pull me up. There you go. Nope. Gone. Nope.
Jackass, I swear to God. All right.
I swear I tried to put it on, and every time I clicked it, he clicked it at the same time.
Max and I have done that many times. Yeah. No, you're good.
I mean, yeah, cancel out all the noise. You got IWM, Russell looking for a breakout here this morning. We're pressing up, our local range highs here. Back above these highs and above this dotted, mid range we have here. That should lead crypto. That's how we saw it back here. It's playing out. Just cancel out all the noise from today. Seeing the Russell up today makes me feel a lot better. That's for sure. Definitely looks good here. I like this. I like that a lot. What's the S&P looking like? Yeah, I mean, just normal pullback for the S&P. Dow.
I want to answer this question real quick.
The fuck?
That's not the first time I've seen that.
Really?
If I were an Indian, I would be talking like this.
Oh, Jackass, no. You can't.
Okay, that's canceled.
Don't do that. No. Jackass.
It's okay. He's from Europe.
He's European, yeah. You guys. Yeah, it's fine. He's European.
I love Indian guys, by the way. It's just the way we make jokes around here. But I have many of them. I've met them in real life too. So all good.
It's okay. I have Indian friends. Oh God. Oh yeah, Jackass. Oh, look at that. We're back. We're already back, guys. Come on. What are we talking about here? Look at that 3-hour candle, man.
Wow. Oh man, I was cracking up there for a minute. I had to take myself off camera. Wait, are we back, Louis? I heard we were back. So
yeah, we're back. I mean, this is what I mean by like a test pump. Like, you get your wick, you get your rejection. Everyone's like, "Oh, deviation, bro." Kind of like down here, like I did. But, back inside. See you later. But like that works in a ranging environment or a bear market. In a bull market, you see that, you see a little chop, and then you see, okay, business as usual, and then you keep going. That's really kind of how it works out in bull markets. That's why we call it a test pump. Just depends on where you are in the cycle. But I mean, I'm liking our reactions down here. I'm liking this buyback. I'm liking this buyback.
Oh man, they're ripping IWM.
Yeah, we were just looking at it. That's what I'm saying. Like, take out that noisy pump this morning, pump and dump, IWM pumping. looking to break out, hopefully today or this week. That's the prize. Keep your eyes on the prize. IWM and price discovery bodes well for Bitcoin.
The problem is with all this pump and dumping they're doing to majors is our memes are going to get bled a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. They can't handle that. They need a nice trend.
Yeah. So like here, Max says this way more beautifully than me, right? But IWM enters price discovery here. Bitcoin pretty much enters price discovery at the same time, little after.
Mm-hmm.
That's why we're watching this.
What's what is it, like 245, 240?
What?
Price discovery. What's the previous all-time high? 240.
241, 240-ish. But I mean, even like here, like on the weekly, I gotta check the daily, but it's just gapped up. We like literally gapped up into price discovery last time.
So, Louis, what would you say to the argument that was COVID and that was liquidity injection and that it's not going to be the same?
I'd say that liquidity is still sloshing around. It's still here.
Say, Tucker.
And there's more coming.
What, Jackus?
You know.
Are we?
I don't know. Wait.
Oh, we're back.
Oh my God. No, I can't, Jackus. I can't. I can't.
Louis wasn't even asking like what should Tucker say. He knew
said,
right away.
Oh my God, are we?
Yeah.
That was like the last thing on my mind right now with current PA. I was like, no.
Hell yeah. Screw your deviation, bruv.
Who could have foreseen life? Who could have foreseen?
Yeah.
Interesting.
I even said that in the Discord this morning. I was like, I could just picture this continue bull chopping higher now. This is what you see in bull markets. You gotta like, that's what comes with the experience of being around. You know what I mean? Like you see the like the OI gets wiped, everyone gets horny on leverage, boom, you're gone, and now the price leaves it out.
If we close the day at the highs, I might be euphoric. I might be.
We went from we are so back to it is so over to we are back in a like few hours.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, literally. Welcome to the bull market. Welcome to the bull market.
And yeah, just by the way, I mean they could dump it again. Like it does not matter. It doesn't matter. This is a time-based trade. Okay. We all know where we're at. Hopefully, if you follow this channel long enough, you all understand where we're at in the cycle. This is simply a matter of time. It's when, not if. All right. When, not if. I want gold to distribute and nuke, bro. Like, because go put gold against Bitcoin. Like,
yeah, I think I know what you're getting at, but like I've also seen periods where they pump together or BTC.
No, for sure they don't. It doesn't have to nuke, but like go. Let's see. All right, so 2021.
Wait, Tucker. Wait.
Gold peaked and then Bitcoin.
No. I need to stop you right there. All right.
I know.
Because
I knew this would trigger you.
You are about to cook. No, it doesn't trigger me. What triggers me is that you are about to cook something, but I need to know if our audience have been on the buttons and clicking the like buttons. That's what I need to know.
Let me check.
I see what you're saying.
Yeah, you see what I'm saying, Louis. You see what I'm saying. All right, hang on. Let me check.
See what I'm saying?
Oh, sorry. I had this unmuted. Wait.
Seen We're the Millers? You know what I'm saying?
Yes. Oh my God.
No regrets.
We're actually doing good. We're at 175, Jackus. We're at 175.
That's not bad.
Wait. That's horrible. What the fuck are you guys talking about?
Oh my god, we got
no.
468 watching and only 175. Yeah, that's bad.
Yeah.
That's not even half. That's not even half, guys.
Exactly.
Louis,
Everything is about context and perception.
do it, Louis.
Go
Do
on.
it. You know what to do. You know what to do. Pull it up, Louis. Pull it up. Yep. I'm gonna need like the one. Yeah, you don't have the second chart. You need the 1 minute. Or the yeah. Yes, there it is. Now zoom in and do some schizophrenic TA on this thing.
Well, this is just more continuation, downtrend continuation for the soy boys. You know,
Yeah.
bear
Yeah,
flag.
that looks about right. Now, guys, the reason we're looking at this is because there's not enough likes on the video, and we're going to keep looking at it until there are enough likes on the video. I'm sorry we have to hold you hostage. You know the deal. If you've been here for a little bit, 213, not bad, not bad. Not bad. I mean, on a day like today, though, guys, on a day like today, when we get a little pump and dump, everybody's freaking out, scared. What's going on? Are we back? Is it over? You know, the boys are here cooking. The boys are here telling you what's going on. So I'm going to need the like button to get hit a few more times. We're at 224, 228. We're going for 250. All right. Give me 22 more likes, and we will stop looking at useless commodities like soybeans.
I'm not even going to show you my watch.
Tucker, we are nearly on 500 people. We should be on 300 likes by now. Like, what are we talking about?
I know. I need to look at the market. I can't be looking at soybeans for this long. All right, 15 more.
Imagine we are getting finally exciting a market, volatility kicks in. We can be looking at that. And instead we have to be looking at the soybean to appeal the freaking algo, right? None of us likes this. None of us.
No. Give me 8
Oh,
more.
Jack, is you actually tagged me?
7 more. He tagged you?
Yeah, my Twitter. I was like, why is my Twitter blowing up right now?
You guys didn't tag me? What the hell, Jackus?
I've been blessed by Chef Jackus.
I contributed.
Louis kindly
didn't I?
asked.
I know, I didn't ask.
I did it live, so he was under the gun.
He was. All right, 250. There it is. All right.
There it is. Okay.
Moving on. Back to
It
you,
doesn't mean
Louis.
stop. That means we'll come back to the soybeans if we have to.
Yeah.
But we are so back. Let's watch it on the 1 minute. Go. We just get like techno music, just like bump it, and we'll just watch it like on the 5 second.
Bro, I would happily do that for you.
Yeah. We need like copyright friendly like background music.
I don't know if we even need to do that.
Really? Is that like not a thing anymore?
I don't know. If I'm being honest, I don't. Try to play some music in the background, Louis, on your computer.
Yeah, I don't know how it would sound. Let's see here.
I know. That's what I mean. Let's test it.
Open up my Spotify.
I need some like some deep house or something. Or the pump it up song. Oh man.
Yeah, I got that on my Spotify list.
I'm sure you do, brother. I'm sure you do.
Strictly for bull markets. You guys aren't seeing this right now. You just see my chart. Okay, good.
Bump it. Let's see.
I'm for some reason I was logged out of freaking hold on. Okay.
So when I'm at the doctor, Big Doc, and if we are breaking the high, I'll be watching and I want you to say the line.
I will, Jackus. If we break the high, oh my god, yeah, I'll say the line.
All right.
100%.
All right.
Louis, do it.
I'm trying. Hold on. I got it. Come on. Yes. Okay. Here we go.
Crank it.
All right. Hold on. Here it is.
There it is. All right.
You hear it?
I'm muting myself. Zoom in.
Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you
What is happening right now? Jackus, I know this is you. Oh my god. Come on, baby. Draw it up for us, Louis.
Oh, here we go. Come on now. Let's see the volume.
You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up,
Come on, break that high. Smash it.
Don't you know? You got to pump it up, don't you know? You got to pump it up.
I wonder if Max is watching this right now.
Max is I wonder what if he was watching, what he would say. Would he be like,
He's just seeing Louis on stream, just
yeah, and he's like, what is
dancing.
going on? I leave for one day and the guys are rugging the show. Or would he be like jumping in on the show and be like, don't you know, bump it up?
That was fun.
he said it's working. Keep going.
Keep
No,
100x.
Get out of here, 100x GK. Get out of here with that top signal vibes, bro. Get out of here.
Let us enjoy ourselves. God damn.
We had enough. We had enough of the cheats.
Had enough. Our time.
Listen.
I like that 1 minute little inverse head and shoulders there. How about that?
I have the last 3 minutes. All right, guys. I will cook you something up.
Cook it up.
Where are you? Wait. I will breathe into the microphone.
Look at what Z said.
I know. It'll just be you fist pumping, Louis.
Yeah, just go.
That will go for the highlights. Totally shoot. The best technical analysis you can find on the internet.
This is true.
True professionals. True professionals.
All right, guys. So this is the chart. This is the line. All right. The rejection had nothing to do with any news. What happened? We came here, people got euphoric. They did a mechanical rejection. The liquidity is now above all of this, right? They did it. They stopped the lower time frame JEETs. Lower time frame, idiots. And here, we might just as well go straight up from here and break it. They stopped the leverage. This needs to be quick. I think that in possibly in the next few hours, this could be it. If it doesn't change anything, we are soon to be breaking higher. We fake the breakdown, we reclaim the trend. Lots of people are waiting for a retest right here. Never came. We broke out. Lots of people are waiting for a retest here. Maybe even here. It's not coming. The market makers not giving that. Just lower time frames, scary shakeouts. And you might even see big tax say the line by the end of the show. And
maybe.
dent once again. But this line, sooner or later, is about to break. What are we talking about, right? So
Bearish.
Cheeto on the door.
Bear flag.
So bearish. Wait. Cheeto on the door. Right. Some of you know what is going to happen here.
It's on every one of Will's charts. Every single one.
Shit. All right.
There it is.
This line is the Cheeto.
Mm-hmm. Whose boot is gonna kick down the door?
Larry Finks.
Yeah, that sounds about right. Tommy. Low time frame scalpers trying to formulate a new pattern name in hindsight to show they call this morning's scam. That's hilarious.
Exactly as predicted.
This is what's going on right now. All right. This is Cheeto holding it. This is Larry Fink looking to smash the door.
Yes.
The most beautiful PA you need today.
Uh-oh.
It is what it is.
Uh-oh. About to smash our 1 minute local highs.
Are we? All right, guys. I gotta leave to the doctor. So,
Okay,
guys, have a good rest of the show, and may the pump be with you.
And also with
Thank
you.
Jackus. Thank you. This is that one chart that one guy wanted a long time ago.
Cook the cat. Cock
Cook
the cat.
Cock the cat, I guess. Yeah. Doesn't look bad here. Let's do this. Let's do this.
You got the lower time frame. That's what we want to see.
I got the lowest time frame. Yeah. Hang on, we need to go a little higher. Oh, okay, never mind. No, we're good. We're good. Which way are we breaking, Louis? Which way are we breaking?
I don't know. I might retest that little area first and then go. Or we could just continue to pump. So up or down?
Up or down? That's a great question.
We need Fink on the buttons.
Yeah, we do. Let's look at
Did you hear the clip from their from BlackRock's earnings call?
No. Oh, about what he said about ETH?
I didn't hear him. I didn't hear him talk about ETH. I just
that
heard
was I was probably not on his earnings call. It was something separate.
But yeah, they're just talking extremely bullish on Bitcoin on the earnings call.
He said, what did he say? He said like the potential of the Ethereum blockchain is not even close to being reached. He was like bull posting with his words ETH.
Nice.
So, all right, we'll check Mog. We'll check Mog. Don't worry. Not on the 1 second. Yeah. Good chart. If it's really bullish, you should not come back here. I mean, you could, but if it's very, very bullish short term, I mean, that was not a small drop. Like that was, that was like a 20% pullback. So yeah, depends on Bitcoin, but I like that chart. I like that chart to go to new highs specifically.
It looks like Caspa. I don't know if someone did that comparison already. They might have, but like 3 drive, big wick down, come down, fill the wick, and then that like MOG basically rallied from where Caspa is now.
Yeah, I just can't be bullish on Caspa. I just
No, I
can't.
know.
I just can't. I would like the chat to recall
Yeah.
when they were screaming at me to buy Caspa right here for months, and I refused. I said no. I said our boys club and our soul memes are going higher, and Caspa down only. It is what it is. It is what it is. Let's see what else. Wolf. They want Wolf. Sigma on ETH. No, that sounds like not a real thing.
Oof, Storage is putting in a meat stick today. How about
Storage.
that? Yeah.
Storage A.
Storage.
I mean, here's the deal on like Wolf and Andy. They both look ready for higher. Yeah, they both look nice. So does Brett, honestly. Brett, I like that level. We had that drawn out from back here. That would have been a fantastic short. Study the SR flip. Study the SR flip on Brett. Yeah, ETH beta looks like it wants to go. It all looks stronger than ETH does right now.
Yeah.
I mean, 2750 on ETH is that level, but yeah, just protect the pump candles. That's all I want. That's all I want to see.
Yeah. We don't want to give up those pumps.
No, we don't. We do not. Let's see. I want to do a time. That's about right. That's about right. Let's see, total 3. I mean, what do you think comes next on total 3? You know, breakout retest. What are we talking about? I'm going to keep asking until someone answers the question. What are we talking about here? Let's just put a nice little green dot right here. Boom. Let's see what else. Swag. I'm pretty sure MSTR on ETH got cooked. Manish, I would bring Wabi on here, but he's definitely still asleep right now. He works the night shift. He's up till about 5 a.m. every night. What was I gonna do? Swag. Let's do the .USD one. Yeah. This is probably your bid or it's cooked level, right? I mean, okay, there it is. There it is. I like from the close. I like to about here. Let's do one of these. All right. I like that trade right there on swag. Give me a 4x from 4.3 mil. Give me 17 mil on swag.
Swag.
I like that. Damn, the tickers are really just flying in now. Aura, stonks, retardia, flog. Aura again. Jeez, guys, jeez. Do we speed run?
Yeah. Let's do a speed run.
Aura, gotta bounce here or you're cooked. All right. Retardio. Didn't quite hit it. Hit 200 mil psychological level. We were buying this in here and we were yeeting above 0.19. And it simply is what it is if you did not do that. Don't hate the all-time high retest. Probably goes higher if Bitcoin and ETH and Sol are bullish. What else? What was the other one? God dang, the tickers are flying in. Or flog, of course. Of course, guys. Of course. How could I forget FWOG? Here's what I will say. Let's do... let's do it. Let's get some volume on here. Let's get some volume. All right. Where did volume spike? I think here. Let's drop it down. You could even go from this spike right here. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right. We'll do one of these too. We'll do one of these too, guys. You are in a range. You are in technically your third consolidation on FWOG. Right? Let's see. One more. You get consolidation 1, markup. Consolidation 2, markup. What do you think happens after consolidation 3? I'll give you one guess. I'll give you one guess.
That looks like that, like that bull chop you were showing me that one time we were just going through the soul memes. It's like, looks like it's just getting T-wopped.
Dude, it is. It's somebody's twapping this, and they're listed on crypto.com. I'm pretty sure they're getting a Bybit listing, probably KuCoin. So who do you think's twapping this thing? Right? They're listed on some like Anchorage Digital, which caters to it allows institutions to custody assets. So I mean, I like it as a premier soul meme. You get above there, I mean, it's gone. It's gone. So let's look at Pepe. Yep, that's your level to break right there.
Yeah.
Again, I will say it for the 100th time. You are somewhere in here.
Yeah.
Before this. Okay.
Yeah.
You are somewhere in there. I mean, the chart looks good. Here, let me just get rid of some of these.
Threw some wedgies on there, huh?
Oh, yeah, the Louis wedge. I mean, look at that. That's what I'm talking about right there.
We saw that pop on Brett, too. It was doing something similar to that. It was just like slowly grinding on a trend line, and then just you get that pop finally. If it doesn't break down, you get the pop.
Hang on one sec. All right. All right, I'll look at Gondola just because this guy's being loud about it. My God. I don't know if I would suggest or even personally top blast this thing, but I don't even know what it is, but we'll do Aave. All right, we're going to get away from some of the deck screener stuff because, people will take it far too literally.
Yeah. It's been a bull chop upwards.
Yeah. I mean, this chart, I'm sure this goes higher. I don't see a world in which it doesn't go higher. Yeah. The only question for me is it going to outperform the other stuff that we hold, which is probably not, but.
Yeah, we had a nice little play on Aave, a couple months ago, and that's all it was, just nothing else was moving. Caught a mover on Aave, caught like 50, 60%, called it a day.
Yeah. You're looking for, utility that's somewhat boring in your port. Aave is probably a good one, but we'll do Tia and then Link. I'm shocked there's no TA on this. Yeah, I'm actually genuinely shocked.
I
Wow,
like that.
I can't believe that. We literally nailed this trade up to like here, basically. Yeah.
You should run it back. I like how that looks.
Yeah. I
Oh,
know.
I
I
don't
know
want
it's low float, but I know they have a massive unlock coming too. So, we'll
Usually
see.
I'll probably pump into it now.
Yeah, they'll probably try to pump the bags into it. Little inverse head and shoulders, I think you gotta get above this to get really bullish. I think getting bullish down here is maybe a little premature, but if you want to be the confirmation trader, you gotta wait till 7.5. Yeah. This high right here is important. Let's do this. This was unbelievable. I remember that range very well.
Crazy.
Dang, it's been down only. Wow, I did not know that. Um, I don't know how long this line has been here, but that is a perfect retest of range highs.
Yep.
I mean,
It's not
technically,
super bullish on Link. Never really was. That was like a DeFi summer play. That was great.
Mhm.
Then it kind of just underperformed during the actual bull market.
Market
Yeah.
structure break, huh?
I think
Lower lows, lower highs, higher
I think
low, higher
for like
high.
an Oracle play, I think Pyth is probably a good option. I was in Pyth for a while. Did you get zero? Did you ever get the zero lend airdrop?
0.
Is that what that is? Zero?
Yeah, layer 0, right?
I think I was eligible for it. I gotta see if I ever got anything. You think I could still claim it?
Probably. I got some, yeah.
Is it
I
worth
know some
anything?
people farmed it hard and printed on it. I did not really farm it that hard. I just got some for
I mean, I
exactly
was just staking
one
my Pyth for a while. But yeah.
Yeah, no, I
That
staked
Pyth,
some a long time ago. I remember I'm pretty sure we staked it like in here somewhere, and I
yeah.
sold it at like 60 maybe. I don't know. I didn't catch it all the way up, but
Yeah, pretty much almost round tripped it. I tried selling it, then I was like, okay, let me unlock this. I didn't realize it took 2 weeks to unlock. And I was like one of those complacency highs trying to
Mhm.
sell. I was like, oh, I'm screwed. By the time I was able to sell, it was way lower.
Yeah.
But yeah. I think they got a lot of stuff cooking over there. Link
All right,
beta,
what
I
do we
guess.
want to look at? We want to look at Bitcoin dominance heading higher. You
Higher.
probably get 60 on it. IWM green, QQQ, SPX red, NVIDIA big red. Interesting. VIX a little green. Dixie at resistance. I don't know, man. Seems like some bullish intermarket dynamics to me.
It's a Tuesday, man.
It is a Tuesday. It is a Tuesday indeed. Also, I mean, guys. The BNB sold market cap chart is absolutely due for some mean reversion.
Yeah, BNB is gonna pop.
The CZ SAM index is due. I mean, that would be an enormous move if you retrace. That would be a 3x against Solana. I mean, what are the implications here? Thousands for BNB.
Yeah. That's
You think
bullish.
I mean, do you really think CZ's not going to pump this coin now that he's out of
It's gonna
prison?
freaking pump. It's gonna be a. It's gonna. I mean, I wish honestly I don't have any exposure to BNB, but like, I mean, obviously, I'm sure maybe it might be worth looking at like BNB like ecosystem stuff, which I know nothing about. Maybe I think Tommy does. Maybe I don't know, but maybe worth getting position on some BNB tokens.
Yeah, I don't even know what memes you can buy on BNB. I know there's one called like 4. Obviously, I don't know. There's a few, but
Was
I
it
do
like
not
just
have
like the stuff that like Binance itself, like don't they have like a incubator or whatever it's called? I don't know.
Yeah, they have a launch pad, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, that's what it's called. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. That would probably be some alpha is figuring out some BNB beta.
Yeah, because this is extremely bullish. It's a massive consolidation under resistance. That's super bullish.
I mean, you want to talk about like a cup and handle, like
Yeah, it's
I
textbook.
mean, with a massive measured move. Like the measured move is literally. Let's do it this way.
$1,000.
The measured move is literally a. I mean, that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1,000.
Yeah.
Oh, CZ is definitely still in the game. Don't be fooled by that.
Yeah. CZ never left the game.
Yeah. There's no leaving this game.
No.
It's crypto purgatory forever.
I think people are sleeping on this chart too, man.
Moo
I think people are sleeping on Moo in a big way. All right, let's delete some of this. I mean, you had a big move, came back, held your value area high, you know, are somewhat getting stuffed at your golden pocket yet again. As soon as you flip this thing, man, you are going to the 1618 with haste. There's nothing anyone can do about it. I mean, look at this. Like, what are we talking about? What are we talking about here? And then even again, you can do one of these, you know. I don't even know where I'd probably draw like that. Higher.
What is that on?
Hmm?
What's that on?
Good old Solana, brother. Bitcoin is green.
Yeah.
BNB is green. And Wolf is green. Of the watch list. Also, Andy and Wolf are both green against their Pepe pairs, which is not insignificant. Okay, I shouldn't have drawn that line. That was unfortunate. That stuffed us. That stuffed us. I know that's what everybody's drawing right now. I'm gonna go ahead and let Bitcoin go. There we go.
We're worried about the next one already. On to the next.
Yeah, I mean, this is I mean, exactly kind of what we wanted to see, besides the wick, obviously, but this was perfect. That was absolutely perfect. Now, let's see if we can. Yeah, literally. Let's see if we can backfill a little bit at minimum. Close the day at new highs, bears in shambles. Look at the 90-minute. All right, there's some alpha. Look at the 90-minute chart.
Test pump.
Beauty, 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 beauty. Did we close that 4-hour green? Wow, okay. Yeah, I think it looks good. I think it looks good. I mean, everybody and their mom came out loud on Twitter as soon as this thing, I mean, literally right here. I mean,
Yeah.
literally right here. I saw so many calls for 40K, 58K.
Really?
Oh my God, yeah. And it's not. Oh man,
Let's go.
do it with haste. With
Should we bring back-
haste.
should we bring back the music?
Let me know if you. Yeah, let me see. See if I have any good house on here. Let me know if you can hear this and it doesn't sound terrible.
Not bad.
How's it sound?
Eh,
Huh?
it sounds okay.
Is it bad or good?
Yeah, it's not that great.
Louis?
How was mine? Mine was good.
Wait, Louis, can you hear me?
Yes,
Louis?
I could hear you.
Oh no, I can't hear you though. I rugged it. I shouldn't have done that. Can't handle SoundCloud, I guess. All right, hold up.
Oh,
All right, we're back.
I was like, I came back on StreamYard. It was just my face, like super close up.
I know.
I didn't know you left.
Sorry to rug you like that. Trump plus 16% on Polymarket. Wow.
Plus how much?
Plus 16% on Polymarket. That's
nice.
not insignificant. I can't confirm or deny that, but
Aptos looks good here. Will's big on Aptos now as well.
no, it looked good. I was looking at it. Go zoom in for me. Zoom in. Way more. Yeah, after that first drop, yeah, right there, that I was like, this is a bullish retest. Here we go. I didn't do anything about it, didn't buy it,
I
but
know. I was watching it too.
Will likes it. Yeah.
Yeah.
You're seeing a lot of charts do that little inverse head and shoulders. We looked at TIA.
Yep.
We looked at something else that was doing the same thing. I'm pretty sure. What does INJ look like? Can you pull up INJ? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about right there.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm basically holding this instead of holding APT. So I think they're gonna be similar plays. So
yeah.
Just to keep it simple. But we'll see.
No, yeah, I think INJ is gonna send.
Yeah, this is clean price action.
And it's probably a good 2-3x over the next 10 weeks.
Yeah, at least back to the old all-time high.
2.5x, yeah.
Yeah. And then let's see where the 1618.
75. Yeah, that's a nice move.
Yeah, 3.5x.
3.5, yeah.
Take that all day.
All day. All right, what's Bitcoin doing? I mean, it's really just pulling ahead of ETH and Sol right now. Like ETH and Sol are both red still. Sol is kind of big red right now. So is Pepe and Brett.
Let's drop down to my go for it.
Dude, Shine in the comments is relentless. He will not relent, Louis. He will not relent.
He'll learn.
It's all right, man. We have people like that. One man in particular in our Discord who's
Yeah.
exactly like Shine. He actually might be Shine. I don't know.
Yeah,
I
it
can't
might be.
confirm or deny, but yeah.
Well, here goes IWM. Pressing the highs. Pressing the highs.
Yeah, I think we look pretty good. I think that was a classic Tuesday move. What do equities look like real quick?
Buying back a little bit. Not much though. Just like a normal pullback day. NASDAQ looks a little worse. But that could be, selling NASDAQ, buying IWM,
Wait a second. Somebody sent. He said he sent an email.
Sent
I will
to-
check on that for you. I will check on that for you. I might have hit you back, but I don't know what's his name on here. Sammy Ramos. I don't know. You can send me a DM too. I don't know if we got it or not because I think I've responded to all of them so far, but you can DM me on Twitter if you would like, Sammy. That's an interesting chart right there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
getting close.
What's our measured move, Louis?
$500.
Bull flag. Yeah, I don't know if you guys did you see Goat over the weekend, Louis?
I saw a couple people mention it, but I didn't actually look at the chart.
Boy, oh boy. Boy, oh boy. Oh, it actually looks pretty good here. We took Goat. Some of the guys in the Discord called the thing out at like 5 mil, but I personally took it from 20 mil up to like 90, 85-ish.
Quick come up.
Left a little bit. Yeah, I'm still holding a little bit of it, but
Yeah, I think I remember. I think that's how I saw it. I think in your alert
dude,
shot.
the thing ran from 20 mil to 177 in 3 days.
Damn.
So yeah, it was pretty unbelievable. Actually, it was. We printed pretty hard on that one. Wait, I'm trying to think of how I should connect with Sammy. Oh man,
What the hell? I didn't even know you could do this. Eraser? What is that?
try it.
What do I erase? Price?
No, it'll erase your drawings, bro, not price. What is that, Pepe?
Oh, look at that. Yeah. What's magic do? Magic. Oh! Wow. I'm such a boomer sometimes. Oh, I could use a pointer. That's This is useful. I'm usually just moving around my crosshairs. Wow, look at that. That's cool. All right, Bitcoin's back. Business as usual here. Yeah, we're at resistance, major resistance. This is being what, the fifth tap? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tap. Yeah, this breaks to the upside.
Cheeto, brother. Cheeto in the door. 66.6. Zoom in. Zoom in. Zoom in. It's time to zoom in.
Oh yeah. We're back.
I mean, if this thing gets back above 67K, what are we talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Love it. I love it. Did you buy the pull? Did you buy the Dipanon?
Dude, people talking about moves like that, like
Yeah, you didn't do shit.
you didn't do anything. You were best doing nothing. Like
You pooped your pants.
yeah, you literally just got scared. Yeah.
Classic. Let's check out the weekly. Last time I looked, we're literally flexing like a weekly breakout, which is pretty damn bullish. Yeah. If we can close the Bitcoin's weekly candle, like with the breakout of this consolidation.
Louis, I'm about to give you some alpha. Look at the 5-day right now for me.
Ooh, Doge. Okay.
What do you think about that?
I mean, it looks good. Looks like very similar to the weekly.
Zoom in, zoom in. It's
Zoom
alpha,
in.
trust me.
Okay. Oh, nice. Yeah, I like this. I like this. I like the push up.
It's time, bro. It's literally time.
Yeah.
No more sweeps of any lows. It's not gonna happen.
It's time to sweep the highs, baby.
Yeah, can we get a sweep of the high for the love of Christ? Like, dude. Oh
Yeah.
my god.
The
Speaking
floors
of
have been
sweeps,
swept.
like,
The floors are sparkly clean. Yeah.
we do have that moon on the 17th. That guy just thought the Hunter's moon dip incoming.
Hunter's
It is a super moon, and it is of the new and full. It is the bullish one. I do know that. So, and it is a fair point. You do usually they usually mark a bottom. So, I mean, that's in 2 days though. So, am I gonna sell today to buy back on Thursday? Absolutely not. You're out of your mind. Okay, you're out of your mind. So, not that that's not a valid point, but not that you can't trade it on a low time frame, but I will not be partaking in that sort of behavior. Won't do it. This is the paradigm where full moons work again. Let's go, Rickator. Let's go. What are we looking at? October. I've been saying, Louis, I've been saying it's October. It's December in 2017. It's November last cycle. It is October. Will be your Schmiko top this cycle. Not that we won't top in March or April. I
Yeah.
think we absolutely have a local top before the Bitcoin conference. Or maybe at the Bitcoin conference, but
maybe that is peak, local peak.
Yeah, I think you do that. You buy back an August dip, you ride it into October, and then you just sell it all and, become an accountant or something. I don't even know.
But yeah, looks like we got maybe a year's worth of bullishness here, boys and girls.
Mm-hmm.
That's what the history would tell us, right?
It is indeed. It is indeed what history would tell us. Let's see.
280K Bitcoin.
Right. think we look comfortable here. I think we look comfortable.
How do you feel about that?
I feel great about that. I feel great. I want you to zoom in though and show me what that looks like over the next couple months. What are we on? The weekly? Give me like a 3-day. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right, zoom in on the range though. Zoom in on the range. So, Anon,
Could you
would
imagine that though?
you? Yes, I know. Could you handle a spike to what? To what is that?
Probably 80K.
To 80K back to
57K.
No.
Could you imagine?
No.
I'd probably cheat.
You probably.
I ain't gonna lie. I'd probably cheat.
I don't know. Here's the thing. We probably pump into November 4th, right? We probably pump into the election. We probably get a small dump out of it, and then you just go pretty much straight up until March is what happens, because you guys know the cycles chart that Max always pulls up on here. If you look at it closely, which I have, there's usually a early November dump, like right around the election, before you go straight up in a straight line. But from here, that dump should occur from higher. Okay, that is why I think we get all-time highs before the election. Well, I said this month, but
yeah, I think coming out of this, because this consolidation has been so long, I think this move out is going to be more explosive than this. And then
yeah, we have to remember too. Is that 2017 fractal?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have to remember too. What was the price of Bitcoin during that PA? Like $1,000. Like,
yeah, that's true. Yeah.
You have to remember how much less liquid Bitcoin was. Like, look at that. Like that happened today, I guess, on like a 15-minute chart, but I doubt something like that happens on a 3-day chart, right?
That's a 33% pullback.
Yeah, I think you probably got at least until like 85, 88K until you get a 30% pullback, which you probably get, but
we haven't seen one yet.
No, we've had a time-based pullback capitulation.
I guess this was technically 30%.
That was 30%. We had a 30% pullback over 6 months, which is just terrible.
Yeah, these were quick and easy. I mean, not at the time it probably wasn't easy, but yeah, these are like boom, pull back over, resume bull market, boom, pull back over, resume bull market, boom, resume.
Believe in something, Louis. Believe in something.
Yeah, this is just come on. But I think we're out of the woods.
66.5. I'd like to see ETH show a little bit of resilience here.
Yeah. It's not leading anymore like it has been the last couple days.
Log back up to 190 mil. Let's ride. Storage.
Look at this, bro. Study a diamond bottom. Classical charting.
I haven't seen that in a long time.
Come on, bro. Come on.
The diamond bottom.
Look at that. Diamond bottom at range lows. Come on.
Come on, Louis. Come on.
Give me that. That's all I need. Just give me that.
What is that? 91?
Yeah. 136.
Are you long?
Yeah. In the fund.
Let's go, baby.
Let's go.
Yeah, study BB Wealth Management. Absolutely smashing it.
Yeah.
Absolutely killing it. Unbelievable. We should probably wrap it up here, though. I've got a call in like 30 minutes, and
let's do it.
Market's probably just going to hang out here for a little bit unless we start rage pumping, which always could happen. But go ahead and pull up the
got it.
the terminal or the premium page and the terminal and all that, because I'm sure some of you are aware, but not all of you are aware of what we do. And it is not to just come on YouTube and waffle about price. I promise you that. I promise you that. But yeah, pull that up for me, Louis, real quick. Bitcoin looks good. All right. Boom. All right, scroll up for me. You don't want to just hit them with price; they'll freak out. Show them what they get. Show them what they get, Louis.
Can I like zoom out on this?
Scroll up. Oh wait, did he?
This is I went from terminal. Let me do.
I see. Well, there's a whole page tell you what you get, but
I got
you guys know the deal. Yeah, here we go. Hit premium for me. Boom.
BB
There
terminal.
it is. Also, I guess talk about the terminal first. Terminal suite, you know, heat maps, spaghetti charts, open interest, spot CVD, DCA calculators, supply and profit and loss, all your Glassnode metrics. And we talked with Ed, or I talked with Ed Max yesterday. There's actually some pretty crazy stuff coming. That degen section down there that is not built out yet is being built out as we speak. And I'm just telling you guys right now, it's gonna be special. I'm super excited after talking with Ed about the degen section. It's gonna be quite good. It's gonna be like I'm not gonna use Dex Creator anymore. Like I'm literally just gonna use that.
Ooh.
No, yeah, it's gonna be wild. But we're gonna have that coming soon. We got order execution coming in a couple weeks, so you can link your Bybit to the terminal and just create custom orders from there, which is pretty nice.
Ooh. It's tough.
But yeah, that's the terminal. You get the terminal free with the Discord, the gold subscription, of course, which is the best one. I'm just gonna be honest, like it's the best value. It simply is. Go ask any of the members. Gold is the move, and I know you might feel that I'm biased in saying that, but it is what it is. Anyway, there's the Discord. There's Jack is doing some charting and whatnot. A little clip of what you get.
The inner
Yeah,
circle.
I mean, yeah, you guys know what the Discord is, right? All of our active positions, what we're doing, how we're doing it all day, every day. That's pretty much what you get in the Discord. There's some testimonials. Go check it out. You can pay with crypto. We have the BB Academy as well, which is probably the best TA course on the market. Took us like 9 months to build that. There's quizzes. There it is right there. So you got the Academy, $500 one time, worth it in my opinion. Louis did a Hyperliquid setup, and that's free. And Max did a Mastering Trading View Charting, also free. So check those out. Also, Louis has a code. What's your code, Louis?
Louis 9.
This is Louis's code. That gets you 10% off. Oh, I sent it from Jackus's account too, even though he's not here. That's funny. That gets you 10% off lifetime every month, forever, on anything, I believe. Actually, it's any of these three products. It's not the Academy.
Not
It's
Academy,
any of these
but
three products.
if you want that
Lifetime
for
10% off every month. So there
buy
you go.
gold, that's like 10 after 10 months you get a month free every 10 months on gold.
Boom. Also, I would like to point out, I was looking at these metrics the other day. On a 12-month rolling basis, we have a 75% retention rate on the Discord for people that joined 12 months ago. That's wild.
That's a really good retention rate.
That's wild. People that joined a year ago, 75% of them are still here. So they like it. They like it. I mean, there's not much else to say. Bitcoin's pushing 67K again. What are we talking about? I will ask again, what are we talking about? Yeah, it's all meat sticks for our future, isn't it, Louis? It's just meat sticks day after day.
Around, baby. It's meat stick season.
It really is.
Even storage.
This guy said would really like a bundle that includes Academy plus gold. That would be awesome.
See, it's just tough though, because it's a one-time payment.
Yeah, the Academy is one time and the gold is monthly, so it would be hard to bundle, but
maybe if you do a discount on it.
Yeah, we could
on
we
your
could
first
look
month.
into it. We could look into it, but
Get it for like $100 or something like that, or $200.
yeah, something we could think about it, but oh, the fund, also the fund. I would be remiss not to mention the fund. BB Wealth Management for accredited investors only, registered SEC hedge fund for cryptocurrency investment. I mean, it's exactly what it sounds like, right? If you're accredited and you want us to deal with your crypto or at least a piece of it rather than yourself, we do that. You know, we do that. We've been doing pretty damn well recently. So there is a contact form in the Twitter link to BB Wealth Management in the description below. Go on there, send us an email, set up a meeting, have a chat, get you onboarded if you want. There you go. Easy stuff. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much it. A lot of exciting developments coming for the terminal, and yeah, we're just gonna keep doing what we're doing. You know, we're gonna keep grinding in the Discord and keep printing in BB Wealth Management, and there's nothing that Bitcoin can do to stop us. So there you go. All right. Anyway, that is it from us today, guys. That's it from us. We will be back tomorrow, and I hope you all have a fantastic afternoon. Be safe out there. Okay. Don't get chopped up.
Don't get wrecked.
See ya.